everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pin Facebook to your Windows PC desktop. If you're tired of opening your browser and typing in Facebook every time, there's a super fast simple hack to pin Facebook directly onto your Windows desktop. In here, what you need to do is just open the Facebook program or applications on your PC. You can just go to search options and search for Facebook here. If you haven't had the app, you need to download it first on the Microsoft Store. If you're using Windows, just download it from here. And after that, you can just open the applications. So once the app is open, if you want to pin it into the taskbar or to your desktop, you can just right click on it here on the taskbar. There will be this options pin to taskbar. Click on that. So even when you close it, the Facebook app will still be here on your taskbar. So stop wasting times and just clicks on the apps instantly here on your taskbar. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.